Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell, and this is my Project 4 reflection video for Java1 term 1401. This week was really exciting. I'm really excited about design. I have a passion for it, and so this week was really fun for me to kind of figure out how design works in Android versus iOS, which is fairly different. I wasn't expecting it to be so different. And the fact that we actually used the XML layout this time, it was really fun to play around with that. My app came out really good. I was able to play around with some other elements, like I have custom text, and I was able to figure out how to edit my action bar here. This right here is actually a custom color I put right here in the background, and custom text I put right here. I have custom text on my button here, the get movie rating button. I have a custom hex value color I'm using here for all my text. So I was able to do some really good customization, get my movie rating. It was different from last week. As far as this information down here, is I have the actual DVD image right here, or the movie image or thumbnail, and for each movie you get that particular image that goes with it. And I was able to kind of play around with a smart image view. With the given resources we had, I was able to figure out how to get it working. Let me go into my code a little bit. Here's where I'm doing the smart image view, and of course I had to get a .jar file to do so. There it is right there, Android smart image. That's a jar file I had to import in, and also I have my connection jar. And I decided to make a jar file, of course, getting the connection, making the connection to my URL, and I'm pulling the jar file in right here, movieratings.connection.getData. So I'm using the get data in my jar file just to show it's working. Of course, all my information pulled in, so that's definitely working properly. And what I'm basically doing up here is setting all the values for my spinner and my text views. But of course, I'm creating those views over here in the XML layout, but I'm populating them over here in my code. But that's the big thing I changed, was the jar file. Was the big change we had this week in the smart image view. And of course, I played around with some custom text. I can show that right quick. It was fairly simple. I just imported the .ttf text files. And if I can find it, right here, I'm setting the typeface, the custom font, audio wide regular, and I'm setting it to my button text right here. So it's fairly simple. I just did some research and figured out how to do it. I hope y'all had as much fun as I had this week. As far as what I feel about Java so far, it's really exciting. The syntax is a lot different as far as how everything works and the terminology and stuff like that. But other than that, I was able to easily catch on because of previous experience in Xcode and iOS. So they're fairly similar for the most part, and I think I like both of them equally for different reasons as far as now. But I'm really excited to see what Java 2 has to offer. Hope y'all have as much fun as I have. You have a great day.